The hormones testosterone and estrogen are pivotal in shaping the body's health, mood, and behavior. Acting as chemical messengers, they influence a wide range of physiological processes. Their impact is not isolated. They work in harmony with lifestyle factors, such as the quality of sleep, the intensity of exercise, and the nutrients derived from food. This interplay determines how effectively the body functions on a day-to-day basis. Diet is a cornerstone of hormonal health. Foods rich in healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, are instrumental in the production of testosterone. Similarly, estrogen levels are influenced by nutrient intake, especially through phytoestrogens found in plants like soy. Ensuring that the body receives adequate macronutrients helps optimize the balance of these hormones. Exercise is another lifestyle factor with a profound impact on hormonal regulation. Resistance training and moderate cardiovascular activities boost testosterone production. In contrast, neglecting physical activity can lead to imbalances, reducing energy levels and affecting overall vitality. The synergy of exercise and proper rest is critical to hormonal health. Sleep also plays an integral role. The quality and duration of sleep influence the body's ability to produce testosterone and estrogen. Insufficient sleep can lead to hormonal dysregulation, impacting mental clarity and physical energy. Incorporating consistent sleep patterns into daily routines can make a marked difference. Finally, stress management is vital for maintaining hormonal balance. Chronic stress triggers cortisol release, which can suppress testosterone production. Adopting relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing can counteract these effects. Together, these factors underline the complex yet fascinating relationship between hormones and lifestyle. Both men and women rely on testosterone and estrogen for optimal functioning. These hormones do not merely dictate reproductive health, they also influence energy levels, muscle mass, bone density, and mental well-being. The right ratio between them is essential for overall balance and vitality. In men, testosterone governs traits like muscle strength and libido, while also playing a role in mood stabilization. Women, while having lower levels of testosterone, still depend on it for energy and cognitive function. Conversely, estrogen, primarily associated with women, contributes to skin health, emotional regulation, and reproductive cycles in both genders. Physical activities, particularly strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, elevate testosterone levels in both men and women. Meanwhile, sedentary behavior can hinder hormone production. A balanced approach to physical activity ensures that hormone levels remain conducive to health and vitality. Behavioral patterns also shape hormonal responses. High-stress lifestyles can reduce the production of testosterone and lead to an excess of estrogen, causing fatigue and emotional instability. By adopting mindful practices and engaging in regular exercise, individuals can promote better hormonal balance. Interventions like medical therapies and natural supplements further illustrate the nuanced role of hormones. While external aids can help, the foundation of hormonal health lies in consistent, positive habits. This interdependence between behavior and biology highlights the importance of nurturing body and mind alike. Health can be viewed through two distinct models: salutogenesis, which focuses on creating well-being, and pathogenesis, which emphasizes avoiding disease. Embracing a salutogenic approach promotes sustainable, proactive habits that enhance overall life quality. A key aspect of this approach is shifting the focus from merely treating deficiencies, such as low testosterone, to fostering optimal health. For example, regular exercise and balanced nutrition help maintain hormone levels naturally. This approach prevents imbalances before they arise, aligning with the principle of proactive health. Positive mindset practices also contribute to improved hormonal function. Optimism, gratitude, and stress management techniques reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which otherwise suppresses testosterone production. Cultivating mental resilience complements physical health practices. Building a lifestyle centered on well-being encourages long-term adherence to healthy behaviors. Individuals motivated by the desire to thrive, rather than merely survive, are more likely to incorporate habits like exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep into their routines. This mindset fosters a virtuous cycle of health. Finally, the salutogenic model recognizes the interconnectedness of body systems. Supporting hormonal health by prioritizing lifestyle improvements benefits not just reproductive health but also energy levels, mood, and cognitive performance. The shift from prevention to enhancement is transformative. Physical activity profoundly affects the production of testosterone and other key hormones. Resistance training, particularly heavy lifting, triggers hormonal surges that promote muscle growth and energy. Incorporating compound movements like squats and deadlifts amplifies these effects. Interval training is another powerful tool for boosting hormonal health. Short bursts of high-intensity effort followed by rest periods stimulate testosterone and growth hormone production. These workouts also improve cardiovascular fitness, making them a dual benefit for health. However, overtraining or endurance activities that last over 75 minutes can have the opposite effect. Prolonged exercise elevates cortisol levels, suppressing testosterone and impairing recovery. Striking a balance between intensity and duration is key to maintaining hormonal equilibrium. Rest and recovery are as crucial as the workouts themselves. Hormonal gains from exercise are consolidated during sleep, underscoring the importance of rest. A structured routine of training, recovery, and proper nutrition maximizes the benefits of physical activity. Lastly, exercise also influences mental well-being. Elevated testosterone levels contribute to confidence and motivation, while the release of endorphins during workouts enhances mood. Together, these effects make exercise an indispensable component of hormonal health. Exposure to natural light early in the day significantly impacts testosterone and dopamine levels. Morning sunlight helps regulate the body's internal clock, promoting hormonal production and aligning energy cycles with natural rhythms. Sleep quality directly influences hormonal health. Disrupted or insufficient sleep impairs the body's ability to produce testosterone and estrogen. Conditions like sleep apnea exacerbate these issues, highlighting the importance of addressing underlying sleep disorders. Breathing quality during sleep is another critical factor. Poor breathing patterns reduce oxygen flow, hindering recovery and hormone production. Incorporating habits like nasal breathing or using supportive devices can enhance sleep efficiency. Evening light exposure, particularly from screens, negatively impacts hormonal rhythms. Blue light suppresses melatonin production, disrupting sleep and, in turn, hormone cycles. Using dim lighting and reducing screen time before bed aids in maintaining hormonal balance. Developing a consistent sleep routine solidifies these benefits. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily ensures a stable rhythm for hormone production, reinforcing the body's overall health and vitality. Cold and heat therapy plays a unique role in stimulating testosterone and other hormones by influencing blood flow and neural responses. Techniques such as ice baths, cold showers, and sauna sessions expose the body to controlled temperature extremes, triggering adaptive responses that enhance hormonal function. Exposure to cold, such as immersing in an ice bath, activates the body's stress response. This temporary stress stimulates the production of testosterone and norepinephrine, improving mental clarity and physical recovery. The rebound effect after cold exposure allows the body to recalibrate its hormonal production efficiently. On the other hand, heat therapy, particularly through saunas, improves circulation and detoxification. Increased blood flow carries more nutrients to tissues, supporting the production of hormones like testosterone. Additionally, heat exposure promotes relaxation and stress reduction, lowering cortisol levels. Alternating between cold and heat exposure, known as contrast therapy, enhances the benefits of both. This method stimulates vascular and neural pathways, improving recovery and hormonal regulation. Athletes and wellness enthusiasts often incorporate contrast therapy to maximize these adaptive responses. While effective, these techniques require a gradual approach to avoid overloading the body. Beginners should start with shorter durations and lower intensity before advancing to prolonged sessions. By integrating these methods mindfully, individuals can enhance their hormonal health and overall resilience. Supplements can influence hormonal health, particularly testosterone and estrogen levels. Among these, DHEA, dehydroepiandrosterone, is a commonly discussed option, as it serves as a precursor to both hormones. While promising, the use of supplements should be approached cautiously and under medical supervision. The effectiveness of supplements like DHEA depends on baseline hormone levels. For individuals with low testosterone, supplementation can help restore balance, but for those with normal levels, excessive use may cause adverse effects, such as hormonal imbalances or mood swings. Understanding individual needs is critical. Natural supplements, such as zinc and magnesium, also support hormonal health. These minerals are essential for the enzymatic processes involved in testosterone production. Foods rich in these nutrients, like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, can be incorporated into the diet for a natural boost. However, supplements are not a substitute for foundational behaviors like proper sleep, exercise, and stress management. Behavioral changes often provide more sustainable results. Supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle rather than act as a standalone solution. Lastly, the role of medical interventions, such as hormone replacement therapy, HRT, may be explored for specific cases. These treatments can elevate testosterone or estrogen levels when necessary, but they require careful monitoring to avoid potential risks. A balanced perspective ensures that interventions are both safe and effective. Pheromones, chemical signals emitted by humans and animals, play a subtle yet intriguing role in hormonal and reproductive behaviors. These compounds influence social interactions, attraction, and bonding by affecting neural pathways that regulate hormones like testosterone. In humans, the role of pheromones is less pronounced than in animals but still significant. Studies suggest that certain pheromones can subtly influence mood and attraction by interacting with the olfactory system. These effects are thought to enhance testosterone levels in social and romantic contexts. Social cues, such as body language and tone of voice, also impact hormonal responses. For instance, confident interactions can trigger a rise in testosterone, promoting assertiveness and energy. Similarly, nurturing behaviors can influence oxytocin and estrogen, fostering emotional bonds. The controversial nature of pheromones lies in the challenge of isolating their effects. While some products claim to replicate pheromonal attraction, scientific evidence remains inconclusive. Nonetheless, the interplay between pheromones, behavior, and hormones continues to captivate researchers. Ultimately, social environments profoundly influence hormonal health. Positive interactions, meaningful relationships, and supportive communities enhance hormonal balance and overall well-being. Recognizing the connection between social dynamics and hormone regulation enriches our understanding of human health. Hormonal health isn't shaped by isolated interventions but by the synergy of numerous lifestyle factors. Testosterone and estrogen production are optimized when diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, and social connections are aligned. This holistic approach is both effective and sustainable. Diet remains the foundation of hormonal balance. A whole food diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients supports the production of testosterone and estrogen. Incorporating foods like fatty fish, eggs, and leafy greens can enhance hormonal health. Avoiding excessive sugar and processed foods also prevents disruptions in insulin, a hormone that indirectly affects others. Physical activity and recovery create the perfect environment for hormonal optimization. Regular weight training stimulates testosterone production, while aerobic activities improve circulation, aiding nutrient delivery to endocrine glands. Pairing exercise with adequate recovery ensures hormonal gains without overtraining, which can elevate cortisol levels. Sleep is equally vital for hormonal regulation. Consistent, high-quality sleep allows the body to perform critical repair processes and maintain optimal hormone production. Practices like reducing blue light exposure, keeping a consistent sleep schedule, and creating a calming bedtime routine directly support testosterone and estrogen levels. Mental and emotional health also contribute significantly to hormone balance. Chronic stress suppresses testosterone and elevates cortisol, creating an imbalance that affects mood and energy. Incorporating mindfulness practices, such as meditation or journaling, mitigates these effects, fostering a stable hormonal environment. Ultimately, a harmonious lifestyle fosters the interplay between hormonal and overall health. By addressing these factors in unison, individuals can experience greater vitality, improved mood, and enhanced well-being, proving that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. The intricate relationship between hormones like testosterone and estrogen and the factors influencing them underscores the importance of a holistic approach to health. Far beyond their roles in reproduction, these hormones influence energy levels, mood, cognition, and physical vitality, making their optimization essential for overall well-being. Lifestyle choices are at the core of hormonal balance. A nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and effective stress management create the foundation for optimal hormonal production. These elements work synergistically, with each reinforcing the benefits of the others, ensuring long-term health and vitality. Understanding and harnessing external interventions like light exposure, cold and heat therapy, and carefully considered supplements can amplify these effects. When used mindfully and in conjunction with healthy habits, these methods enhance the body's natural ability to regulate hormones, promoting resilience and performance. Social and psychological factors also play an essential role in hormonal health. Positive relationships, engaging social environments, and an optimistic mindset not only improve mental well-being but also influence hormones like testosterone, oxytocin, and dopamine, further enriching life quality.